Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a quick and delicious recipe that your kids are sure to love. A 15-minute rotisserie chicken dinner featuring a flavorful chicken salsa bake. This dish is not only easy to prepare, but also packed with vibrant flavors that will make mealtime a hit. Let's get started. First, grab a rotisserie chicken from your local store. It's a fantastic time saver and ensures you have juicy, tender chicken ready to go. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Celsius while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine some cream, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. This creamy mixture will add a rich flavor to our dish. Next, take about a cup of salsa. Choose your favorite kind, whether it's mild or spicy, and mix it into the cream. This is where the magic happens. The salsa will infuse the chicken with a burst of flavor that your kids will adore. Now, let's assemble our bake. Tear the rotisserie chicken into bite-sized pieces and spread them evenly across a baking tray. Pour the creamy salsa mixture over the chicken, ensuring every piece is coated. If you'd like, you can sprinkle a little flour on top to create a delightful crust as it bakes. Pop the tray into the oven for about 10 minutes, or until everything is heated through and bubbling. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard for anyone to resist. Once it's done, serve it up with some warm tortillas or over rice for a complete meal. Your kids will love the creamy, zesty flavors, and you'll love how easy it was to make. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to follow for more quick and tasty meals that the whole family will enjoy. Happy cooking!